In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email notification sound in Thunderbird. Now to do this, first you want to open Settings, top right, so go to the three lines to open the menu, and you want to go to click on Settings. In here, you want to go to General tab, and you want to scroll down, and then in here you can see Incoming Mails. You want to make sure Play a Sound is enabled. First, click on a check mark to enable it, and as you can see by default, it's going to use this default system sound, so just click on Play over here to hear it. There we go, it sounds like this. It's kind of this default system one, but if you want to, of course, change it, you can simply click on Use the following sound file over here. So check this, and then click on Browse, and from here you want to find your file that you want to use. So it could be in any of these audio file formats over here. If you hover over this or click here, it's going to show you all the possible ones. So you have like all the most common ones over here, like MP3, M4A, etc. And then here you simply want to find it, you want to click on Open, and that's going to now be your new notification sound. Okay, that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.